Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng single attached na 2-story unit within San Fernando, Pampanga? I got you. Nandito tayo sa harap ng single attached premium with balcony. Itong property na ito ay meron pong minimum lot area na 70 square meters at floor area na 88 square meters. Kaya tiyak na magkakasya po at least 4 members of the family. So we have 1 carport, meron siyang balcony. So pasok tayo sa loob. Pagpasok natin sa loob, it is an open concept space, walang masyadong partition. Meron po tayong 1 toilet and bathroom dito and kitchen countertop dito. This is our staircase. So akyat po tayo sa taas. Pag akyat po natin, meron tayong available na 2 bedrooms here. Yung ating mga pintuan dito, meron po siyang screen and of course, our balcony. Please message me. Available po pala ito sa in-house and bank financing. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.